In this lesson, we're going to see how we can finally take our completed game and see how we can build it into its own file that you can share with others so they can take your creation and play it. Wouldn't it be nice not to have to open up Unity every time you want to play this game, or not have to make your friends install Unity to play your creations? Let's see how we can manage this. It's actually very easy. To build your game, all you have to do is, once you're in your final scene that you wish, go to File, Build Settings, and here we go. We have, you add your, you can uncheck and just add current if you're in a different scene than what's in here already. My test scene I don't need, and my Module 6 Lesson 1 I don't need. I'm in this final lesson with you guys at the same point. So I'm going to say add current, and now we have my scene ready to be built. It's the current one that's open right now. And now you can click, what do you want to build for? Do you want to build for a web player? Do you want to build for PC? Do you want to build for Mac? Whatever you're running, right? So web player, I'm going to just build for Mac right now because this is what I have and it's very easy to share with people. So is web player, but you need somewhere to host it. So I usually just do this and just send it over to a friend just to test out, right? So I'm going to build it for my Mac, and I'm going to go to player settings. This will give you a little bit more options for your build. Company name, I'm just going to say Cake Games Studios. Product name, WrapTucks Escape Tutorial Series. I dig it. Default icon, you can get images, you can set it to whatever you want. And what do we have here? These are all for the different appliances that you can build for, different console systems, stuff like that. So I'm going to be sticking in this one. Resolution and presentation, default is full screen. Default is native resolution. Run in background if you want. If you have another window open in front, you can pause it. If this is unchecked, so your game just kind of pauses there so it doesn't run in the background, that's really cool. Default is native resolution. Yes, default is full screen. I don't want that. But you know what? I'm going to try it. I never really build that way. It just gives you the option, right? What else can we do? Standalone player option, capture single screen, display resolution dialog, use player log, resizable window if you want. I'm going to uncheck that. Yeah, there we go. Just gives you all this different options. Supported aspect ratios, icons. You can create an icon for your game. There's a lot, but honestly, for just testing out your game, you don't need to do anything in here. I'm just showing you there's options, okay? There's options available for you. So let's just do this. Let's say I've set everything up. All I did was I just made sure my scene was in there. You don't have to add it every time you go in here. It's always going to default to what you added last. I'm just going to quickly go, sorry, one thing. Default is full screen? No. I don't want that for now. WrapTucks Escape, yes. Let's build and run this thing and see what happens. It's going to compile everything for you. It only takes a second, really. And wait for it to post-process, sure. And now it's asking me to open it up. So I'm going to say graphics quality fast, good, beautiful, fantastic. It gives you resolution sizes. You can even set your inputs. Horizontal, vertical, fire, jump, space. You can change those if you want. If you added an image, it would display up here. And let's just hit play. Alright, so here we have it opened up in our player. And now I can walk around, jump, everything's in here. I can fully play this game. Let's trigger all this fun stuff. Let's collect our daggers. Everything's ready to rock. That's awesome. Oh, there we go. Awesome, so you can just email this file, send it away, share it with your friends, build it for whatever system they have. Obviously you can play with the resolution. Mine wasn't quite correct there, but that's just something for you to dig into for yourself. That's it. We have gone through this entire process of learning the tools and techniques to cover any basic games. Puzzles, triggers, health, audio, collecting items, characters, animation, and so much more. Thank you so much for taking the time with me here to follow along. I really look forward to seeing you all in the future videos, so be sure to subscribe to keep learning. There are many things in store here, so really stay tuned. Enjoy.